الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والمرسلات عرفا
By those winds sent forth in gusts,
فالعاصفات عصفا
and the winds that blow violently,
والناشرات نشرا
and by the winds that spread clouds,
فالفارقات فرقا
and those angels who bring criterion,
فالملقيات ذكرا
and those angels who deliver a message
عذرا أو نذرا
as justification or warning.
إنما توعدون لواقع
Indeed, what you are promised is to occur.
فإذا النجوم طمست
So when the stars are obliterated,
وإذا السماء فرجت
and when the heaven is opened,
وإذا الجبال نسفت
and when the mountains are blown away,
وإذا الرسل أقتت
and when the messenger's time has come,
لأي يوم أجلت
for what day was it postponed?
ليوم الفصل
For the day of judgment.
وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل
And what can make you know what is the day of judgment?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين
Woe that day to the deniers.